Now just like shoot the cannons out of the turnip. Wait. I said that backwards. I just said shoot the cannons out of the turnip. It stares at you.
The hunt for the great bird's lair. And actually, this is a playable thing.
It's a bit playable. Not very playable.
We gotta stop Wingo.
Look, he's totally.
Let's go, Piranha Creeper Cove.
Go.
So piranha creepers, they're pretty neat. They're like this, and there are also these things that pop out of the ground and shoot things at me. Then I can pick them up and throw them like this. That was pretty good. I wonder how I get in there. And also, going underwater, like other characters, Toad can breathe underwater. And honestly, the way the underwater looks is really weird. And I can stick out my head like that.
How do you not fall off?
And down here, there's also some stuff here.
There's a red moat that you can go up.
This is a pretty big level. Here we go. There's a hidden secret.
And not like other characters, Toad cannot swim in water. He can only drown, fall and drown.
Toad can't drown.
Oh yes. I'm frozen.
What?
I'm cold.
Oh. Okay.
I'm a frozen popsicle. Just get to the end of the level.
Oh. That fell. There you go. Those things are used as projectiles to stop the creepers. What's this? There. That's good.
Now just get to the end of the level.
I could, but I don't. But do I want to?
Yeah.
Wait, that's only down there. I think I see where I want to go. Up here. There's also some kind of secret back there. Oh yeah, that's another entrance to this. It's not as dangerous. That's funny how they look blue when they're underwater.
Yeah,
Or
it looks
purple.
like the asleep ones.
Here we go. Oh,
Look, there's a bit of whiteness.
oh no, he's bit me. Run, Toad, run.
Is he gonna come this far? Oh jeez. Run, Toad. Follow him.
Run. No. Oh wow, okay.
Get bit, Toady. Move. What's the light even used for anyway? Wait, does it have an on-light and an off-light? Is it just like for decoration?
It can my light can be used to hurt boos.
Oh yeah, and it can also not very goodly light up dark places. But seriously, it can. In the ghost house and stuff, it's really useful.
Okay, the course has been cleared.
Of course.
This is Briny Bowl swimming hole. This is a big one. This is a big, fun level actually. It's pretty
Briny
fun.
Bowl swimming hole.
So how it works is there are these pipes and I can go through them.
Boosha.
Pretty sure there's like a hidden like mushroom somewhere here, but it's like just in a weird place. So as you can see, it's a green pipe that I need that will bring me down there. Do you see any green pipes? No, I do not. I do not see any green pipes. I think the best thing to do at the moment is to
go up.
Stay away from the jeeps, first of all. And take that. Now let's go up in this pipe here.
They're very suspicious. I bet that asshole.
Oh, that falls. Okay. Oh, I see it. That did something. I don't know. Okay. There. What? Pull up there. Don't do that to me.
Get the brick.
Ah!
Oh, jeez. You go to the red pipe, bro.
So
get up there. Or to the
Oh!
other side.
Okay. Yeah, it appears that might not be what you're supposed to do.
Hi. Spoink. Just shake it. Ow.
What? Leave.
I didn't do anything.
I don't want you here. Well, it looks like I might have to restart the level now. That's fine. I know how to do this.
You fell.
Kind of on purpose, honestly. And oh,
There. See what they're guarding. The cheapies are guarding. See what the cheapies are guarding.
I already did this.
Just a few legs.
What? No. Jeeps are hard to see where they are. Captain Toad! Captain Toad!
Captain Toad. Uh-oh.
Pika, 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 Captain Toad. Is what you just said.
Captain Toad. Say happy. Captain Toad. Captain Toad. Uh-oh.
This is actually a pretty cool way to play this game.
There we go. Get on it. Use the pipe. The pipe.
Honestly, I can't see what I'm doing from there.
You have to get green into a green pipe. I think. Do you think go back in the red pipe?
Let me see. What is all this stuff?
Ethan, go back in the red pipe.
Wait, Simon. Aha!
So you can fall down there. Keep going. Good. Now pull the thing.
Here we go. Wait. Ah! Right there. There's the pipe.
I told you.
Ha 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 ha.
Wait, is that underwater or not?
I don't think that was underwater.
Hope not.
So let's go to Turnip Cannon Jungle.
Ooh, I love this level.
Turnip Cannon Jungle.
I love this level. Go to the pipe.
So here we go. This is a really awesome level according to Simon.
Go down and get in the thing. That's the thing. That's the best.
So I want to explore a little bit. There's a lot of jumping that looks like it's here, so it's a little hard to explore the best. And You know what? I think I'm just gonna take it. This is the turnip cannon.
This is infinite turnips. The block in the sky.
There we go.
Got it. You're sniping out of the sky. Sniping!
You die.
Bye.
You will also die. That breaks. That's gone. There we go.
Get the coins. I bet you could be.
Take all the gold. All of the gold. I think it's all fine now.
Now just like shoot the cannons out of the turnip. Wait. I said that backwards. I just said shoot the cannons out of the turnip.
You want to leave? Okay, let's take this star.